بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربنا لا تجعلنا فتنة للقوم الظالمين ونجنا برحمتك من القوم الكافرين.
Our Lord, do not subject us to the persecution of the oppressive people, and deliver us by your mercy from the disbelieving people. This supplication from Surah Yunus, verse 85 and 86 is consistent with the general themes found in the Quran related to seeking protection from harm, persecution, and oppression. The concepts within the supplication align with various Quranic verses that emphasize seeking refuge from the actions of unjust and disbelieving individuals. Let's break down the supplication. Our Lord, do not subject us to the persecution of the oppressive people. In this part of the supplication, believers are seeking protection from the harm and persecution inflicted by oppressive individuals or groups. The term oppressive people refers to those who act unjustly, oppress others, and transgress the bounds of morality and fairness. The supplication reflects the believer's recognition of their vulnerability to unjust treatment and their plea for divine protection. And deliver us by your mercy from the disbelieving people. The supplication continues by requesting deliverance from disbelieving people through Allah's mercy. Here, believers express their desire to be spared from the harm and negative influences of those who reject faith or act in opposition to Islamic principles. Seeking deliverance through Allah's mercy emphasizes the believer's reliance on divine intervention to shield them from the harm caused by those who deny the truth. Now, let's examine the key elements and implications of this supplication. Seeking protection from oppression. The believers recognize the potential for oppression and persecution in the world and turn to Allah seeking protection. This aligns with the Quranic emphasis on seeking refuge from the harm caused by unjust individuals or groups. Recognition of divine mercy. By asking for deliverance through Allah's mercy, the supplicants acknowledge Allah's role as the ultimate protector and source of mercy. This reflects the Islamic concept of seeking refuge and assistance directly from Allah, the most merciful. Desire for distance from disbelief. The supplication expresses a desire to be saved from the negative influences of disbelieving people. This aligns with the Quranic encouragement for believers to be mindful of their associations and to seek protection from those whose beliefs and actions may lead them away from the path of faith. Humility and dependence on Allah. The supplication reflects the believer's humility and recognition of their dependence on Allah for protection. It underscores the importance of turning to Allah in times of need and seeking refuge in His mercy. In summary, this supplication is consistent with Islamic principles related to seeking protection from oppression, persecution, and the harmful influences of disbelieving individuals. It emphasizes the believer's reliance on Allah's mercy and their commitment to seeking refuge in Him from potential harm.